Hi, it's Helena at Lighthouse Tai Chi with another one of our well-being videos, helping you get the best out of life. Are you someone who enjoys sitting in the sun in the evening and having a nice glass of wine? I know I am. I enjoy a nice rosé myself, but the trend has been during lockdown that people are drinking a little too much. So I've come up with a great idea just to help ease you back into normal life and to cut down on the alcohol, or if you want to cut it out completely. You may have heard of Nosé, which is an alcohol-free sparkling wine. Well, I've created Nosé Rosé. Okay, so the idea behind this is that you can make something to alternate with a glass of wine, or to replace a glass of wine, or just to help you reduce, and it tastes really good. Big thing with the alcohol-free wines is that they don't taste particularly nice, and you're paying about £5 for what is basically syrup and water. So what have I got in my glass? Well, I'm going to give you the full recipe in the description below, but the basis of this is Twinings cranberry and raspberry tea bags. I make 2.5 litres with 6 tea bags, and I put them into here with some sliced orange and top up with water and ice, and that really does taste nice. Because of the cranberry, you get a little bit of like a tannin, a bitter taste that you'd get with a Malbec. But if you like a little bit sweeter, Zinfandel, you could add some cinnamon sticks. I wouldn't recommend powder because that'll just float on the top, but cinnamon sticks. If you want to go the full sangria, you could add slices of lime and apple and lemon, and it really does taste very nice. It's an enjoyable and refreshing drink. There's no additives in it. When you make it, you'll need to leave it overnight for the orange particularly to just soften off the raspberry, and the raspberry does give that grape flavour. So I've been very surprised, and I've been really enjoying my Nosé Rosé. So like I said, the full recipe is in the description. Give it a go, and you can alternate this, and nobody will know that you're not having a little naughty tipple at the end of the day, but you can relax and enjoy it all the same. Cheers. If you enjoyed this video, please do give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more content. Bye.